In the beginning, Earth was a fiery ball of molten rock, a chaotic dance of elements and energy. The atmosphere, if you could even call it that, was a thick shroud of gases, hydrogen, helium, and traces of other volatile compounds, swirling in a tempest of heat and pressure. It was inhospitable, a far cry from the breathable air we know today. Over millions of years, as the planet cooled, volcanic eruptions spewed forth carbon dioxide, water vapor, ammonia, and methane, creating a primordial soup of gases. This was the first glimpse of what would eventually become our atmosphere. As the planet continued to cool, water vapor condensed, forming the first oceans. The interplay between the land and these vast bodies of water began to shape the atmosphere further. The oceans absorbed carbon dioxide, and in this primordial world, life began to emerge. Simple, single-celled organisms, like cyanobacteria, harnessed sunlight through photosynthesis, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. This was a monumental shift, a turning point in Earth's history. The atmosphere started to change, slowly at first, but with each passing eon, the oxygen levels began to rise. This rise of oxygen, known as the Great Oxidation Event, transformed the planet. It was a double-edged sword. While it paved the way for more complex life forms, it also led to the extinction of many anaerobic organisms that could not survive in an oxygen-rich environment. The atmosphere became a battleground of survival, a crucible for evolution. As oxygen levels increased, so did the complexity of life. Multicellular organisms emerged, and with them, the first animals, plants, and fungi began to flourish. Fast forward to the age of dinosaurs, and the atmosphere had evolved yet again. The balance of gases shifted, influenced by the vast forests that spread across the land, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. The climate fluctuated, with periods of warmth and ice ages, each leaving its mark on the atmosphere. The dinosaurs roamed under a sky rich in oxygen, their reign marked by the lush vegetation that thrived in this dynamic environment. Then came the age of mammals, and with it, the rise of humans. Our species has had an unprecedented impact on the atmosphere. Industrialization, deforestation, and the burning of fossil fuels have led to a rapid increase in greenhouse gases, altering the delicate balance that took billions of years to establish. The atmosphere is now a reflection of our choices, a canvas painted with the consequences of our actions. As we stand on the precipice of climate change, we must remember that the atmosphere is not just a backdrop to our existence. It is a living, breathing entity that has evolved alongside us, and it is our responsibility to protect it for future generations.